Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Netta, and in today's video, I'm going to go through my nail routine for these gorgeous asymmetrical matte yellow nails. I've seen this like trending on Instagram, and if I can find the picture that inspired this look, I'll post it here in this video. This video is for anyone who is still a little bit paranoid to go to nail salons, or you don't want to spend all the money on those nail salon nails. So if you're interested, keep watching and I will do a step-by-step guide of how I get these, well, this one's not done yet, but these nails. So first, you want to start off by cleaning the nail, getting rid of any nail polish that is on it. So I am going to take that off with some nail polish remover. If you have gel nails on, I just found this really great remover from Amazon. It's the Oliver nail polish gel remover. This stuff is really cool. You just put it right on the nail and then it like bubbles up in a few minutes and then you can just wipe it off basically, which is really nice, really quick, and much better for your nail. So you're not like constantly buffing your nail and all that stuff that's bleh. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the nail polish that's on these nails. Okay. And then after I do that, I'm gonna clean up my nails, shape my nails, get them ready for the nail polish. The first tool I like to use is this nail pusher device. And on one end, it has like this spatula thing that you can move your cuticles back with. And then it has this pointy edge that I like to kind of gently dig into my cuticles to get like the dead skin and whatever else out. And at the same time as pushing back my cuticles, I'm also using this cuticle cutter to cut the cuticle that I pushed back, and then any like hangnails, loose nails. I think this step is the key to making this look like salon quality, professional quality nails. So don't skip this step. Okay, and then after I push back my cuticles, what I like to do is buff out the nail. So I'll use this nail file to buff the edges. And then after I do that, I like to use this tool. This is also for filing down the edge, but this one makes it a little bit smoother. So I like to use this to finish that off. So I'm just gonna take my nail file and just shape it how I want my nails. For the most part, I don't like to shape it any specific way. I kind of like this more rounded, kind of everyday look. And then I'm gonna go in with the larger block and kind of just close out those edges. That probably doesn't make any sense. But you know when you use a nail file and it's kind of feels a little bit rough, like it can like pull at some piece of fabric or some like lint or something, or catch onto lint. Using this nail file kind of just smooths it out so there are no rough edges. Okay, and then I flip it to the next side, which is the remove ridges side, and I kind of just remove the ridges on the nail. This step is important when you're doing matte nails because the matteness of it will pick up any ridges. So you really want to get it to be as flat as possible. Okay, and then I just flip it to the smooth nail side. And there's a shine nail side, but I don't like to use that when I'm doing gel nails because I think it won't help the nail adhere if I shined it. But I pick up that nail file that I used earlier and I kind of just roughen up the nail a little bit, just so that the gel can adhere to the nail. And after I file the nails, I like to take some sunscreen. This one is from Drunk Elephant. And I just like to put that on my fingers so that I have some protection from the UV lamp that we're gonna use to cure this. You can skip this step, obviously, if you're using regular nail lacquer instead of gel polish. Just make sure you're not getting any of that sunscreen on the nail because your gel polish won't cure correctly. And then once I've gotten that done, I am gonna go wash my hands and make sure that everything is clean to start putting some polish on it. So next up, I'm gonna grab my UV LED nail lamp. This one is from Sun Mini. It's a really small, excellent for traveling lamp, but it is a little flimsy. And mine actually broke, like the hinge of it broke. So I just ordered a new one. And I've only had this since, well, I've had this for about a year now. So, and it was only 10 bucks or maybe even 7. I'll link that down below as well. And it's been good to me up until it broke, which was just yesterday. So not too bad. And this one is cool because the adapter is just a USB adapter. So you're able to plug it into your laptop. You're able to plug it into one of those charging blocks, anything, super convenient. And then I'm just gonna apply my base coat to my nail. And when you're applying gel, make sure you don't touch the edge of the nail, like where your cuticle is, because you really don't want to get this on your skin. So I like to stay just a tad bit away from it. And then just let it cure for, I like to do mine for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to use a nail color on top of the base. This one is Bubble Bath by OPI, but you can use any nail color sheer polish that you would normally use for like a French tip. And I will make sure to link down below in the description where I got everything. Some of these products are from Amazon, very convenient, very cheap. Some of the other ones are from this website, Beyond Polish, I think. And then cure that for 30 seconds as well. Okay, and then you're going to take the yellow or whatever. Okay, so this part is really difficult because I decided to do the tip freehand, which is really just, it's a lot of work. But I think I figured out a nice strategy. First, I like to paint the tip, and then I like to paint a little strip right next to the side of the nail where the asymmetricalness is gonna be. And then I kind of connect it. It comes out differently for different nails, unfortunately, but I think it definitely gets easier. Well, it's easiest on your dominant hand, obviously. But after you cure it for 30 seconds, what I like to do is apply a second coat. And when you're doing this, keep it super thin because you don't want this part of the nail to bulge out and just look super, you know, not cohesive with the whole nail. So now I'm going to apply the matte top coat. For this, you really have to shake the top coat for at least 60 seconds, I read somewhere, to activate it. So I'm just gonna shake. And then you wanna do a very, very thin layer of the top coat. If you do it too thick, it's not gonna cure properly. It's gonna look thick and clunky and you're not gonna really like it. And then I like to cure this one for 60 seconds. And then here's the tip with doing a matte nail is you need some rubbing alcohol and a regular lint-free paper towel. So one that's like very thin. And you just take that and you rub it over your nail. And this is gonna make it look matte, which is what you want. Perfect. And then once you've finished, go ahead and take a cuticle oil and apply that to the cuticle. So just apply that and you're done. Enjoy your nails.